Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to start here. We are about to start. Please, can you write 77 on chat section? Let me see if you guys can hear me. 77 on chat section. Seven guys, I do not see people writing. Might not be visible, or you might not hear what I'm saying. There is no point to continue if you can't hear me. So I need to make sure that you guys can hear me. Please write 77 on chat section, guys. All right, I see people are writing 77 chat section. Thank you so much. Welcome to the training. This is a training, guys, about the financial market. The financial market. All right. My name's Elson. My name's Elson Mabhena. I'm one of the leaders in the space. I've been in the financial market since 2009, where I got introduced to the markets, different markets. That's what we're going to be discussing today. I'm not only looking at one market, but we are looking at different markets and the opportunities that are found on the market. I'll appreciate you guys if you can write some questions. If you have got some questions along the way, along the training, write some questions on the chat section. And also, this is not a formal presentation to expect that I'll be very formal. This is informal. This is more of a training, guys, to introduce you to different markets, empower you with different information about how the economy works and how you can take advantage of the markets. All right, without wasting much of your time, I'll be starting shortly. Let me share the screen. Allow me to share the screen. All right. All right, can you write 55, guys? If you can see my screen, can you write 55 on the chat section? If you can see my screen, 55, guys. Let's see if we can see the screen. Great stuff, Keith, great stuff, Simon, Shobiso. Welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys, for joining me. Mohale, Keith, Lenovo, Elrich, Rooks. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Lucky, Nolundi, Simon, Shobiso. Thank you, guys, for joining us. Please, if you can share this this live, if you can invite your friends, invite everyone, guys, to the training so that everyone can get this information, can learn about what we're about to share with you here. All right, there is a hand which is up. I'm not sure if you want to say something or it's because you wanted to assure that you can hear me. Lenovo Tab M10. Do you want to say something? You can unmute yourself and say something. Unless you can lower your hand. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's get started. Markets opportunities. This is what we're going to be discussing today. Markets opportunities. 999 ways of becoming a millionaire. 99 ways of becoming a millionaire from the market's opportunities. Like I introduced earlier, I said we're looking into different markets. We're looking into the economy, what moves the South African economy, what moves the world economy. So this is what we'll be discussing today. You must be here till the end. Throughout the slide, guys, you're gonna learn a lot, but please do not leave us during the session. You might miss a lot of information. So be here throughout the end. Be here throughout the end. Just give me a sec. Thank you so much. Then we continue. We look at financial markets. This is the financial markets. When we talk of financial markets, just a minute, let me sort something here. All right, when we're talking of financial markets, we look back into the stock market. Some people already know about the Forex. Some people already got introduced about crypto, but they don't know the other markets that contribute to the economy or contribute to the space, which is, we start from the stock market. What is a stock market? Stock market is it's a house whereby companies listed their stocks, listed their shares for individual, for the general public to take part or to buy those stocks. Companies, obviously, when they want to expand or when they want to grow to other markets or when they want to grow bigger, they raise funds. At some point they have to raise funds. How do they raise funds? Is by issuing some stocks, issuing the part of that company to the general public to be able to buy those stocks. That's the stock market. We look locally, we've got JSE, which is Johannesburg Stock Exchange. It's our local stock exchange. And then we've got a New York Stock Exchange, which is in New York, in America. So those are houses whereby companies, they can list their stocks for the general public to be able to buy those stocks, and that company have some more money to undertake certain growth projects across Africa or all over the world. All right. When we're talking of stocks, what is a stock? A stock is a part of a company, is a piece of a company. That's a stock. A company can issue so many stocks, can issue thousands and thousands of stocks, thousands and thousands of stocks. So a stock is a piece of a company, it's a part of a company. Looking at the international stock, we have got Amazon. Those are international stock. I'm sure everyone knows and understands a company called Amazon, which is the online bestseller throughout the world. That company has got some stocks. Instead of you just buying some goods from Amazon and selling them, or just buying goods from that online wholesaler, you can always buy the company, always invest in that company, always buy some stocks from that company. We look at Facebook. Most of you guys are involved on Facebook. Of course, all of you guys here are on Facebook as consumers or as just spectators or as content creators. You are not involved economically, but you are involved as end users, as consumers. That's what happens to most people. And of course, I normally put this example and say, in your phone there, you can, I can assure you now, I'm not a Sangoma or I'm not a prophet, but you have got an Uber app, and we have got What's this? The other one, which is equivalent to Uber. Bolt, we've got Bolt as well. We've got a Bolt app, but you do not have the stocks, you do not have shares for those companies. You're only the end user, you're only the consumer for those companies, but you don't have the stocks or the shares for those companies. Whilst Uber was listing in 2019, it was listing in New York Stock Exchange, whereby everyone is allowed to buy those stocks. But because of a lack of information, you are only using those companies, you are only using those apps as an end user or as a consumer without going deeper to partake in the economic and in the decision making, because as a shareholder, at some point you are a decision maker. Your share, your stock that you have bought, actually it influences to a certain extent. Right, locally we've got MTN groups. There are many other companies locally, guys, that are listed on Johannesburg Stock Exchange. Guys, this is not it's no longer for selected few to say can't get involved in the stock exchange, or I can't really buy some stocks. Everyone is allowed to buy some stocks. Everyone is allowed to invest in the stock market. It's about your money. As little as 100 Rand, there's so many companies, especially nowadays, there's so many companies that makes it easier for everyone to get involved in the stock exchange, in the stock market. Stock market, guys, is one of the oldest market in the world. It's one of the oldest market in the world. It was there long before your grandfather, your great-grandfather, they found the stock market existing, right? You might be surprised that all along, not so many people are getting involved, because it's only this other nation, this other, what do we call it? These other people who have been actually involved in the stock market, in the financial markets. Our grandfathers, our fathers, they were only running the taxis, running these small businesses in the location, running funeral parlors. And what they do with that money, they don't really invest anywhere. They put it under the pillow, they put it under the bed. So they don't really invest anywhere. I normally respond to people when they say, oh, no, what, these markets are very risky. You know what, I can't invest on the cryptocurrency market. It's very risky and stuff. I don't understand. But now the question is, I always ask this question: are you investing in the longest financial market, which is the stock market? It's been there. Everyone knows about it. It's well tried and tested. Are you investing? If you feel like other markets are very risky, or you don't trust them or something, but here's the oldest market in the world, whereby we found it here, your grandfathers found it here. Are you investing on that market? The answer is no. So the answer is not about the markets. It's not about the economy. It's about yourself. The problem is you with your limited information, limited understanding about these markets. So it's upon you to take yourself, go to seminars. At least you are here today, you are learning. All right, so we are talking about the stock market, the oldest market in the world, where you can actually invest. You can invest on Facebook, you can invest on Uber, you can invest on Tesla. You heard about Elon Musk is building Tesla. Can invest in that company. Any business, any company in the world that we have heard about it, as long as listed on a stock exchange, you can be able, you are allowed to invest. The onus is on you to find the right platform to invest, how to invest. The question is how to invest. That's the question that you must ask yourself, not to say, I can't do this. All right, the second one, as you can see, the Forex market. I'm sure most of you have heard about the Forex market. Some of you have got the bad experience about the Forex market. Some of you only heard about it from a distance. It's a very big market, guys. It's a global market, which is a $6 trillion market, meaning the $6 trillion which is being traded on a daily basis. The money which is being traded on a daily basis is $6 trillion US dollars. All right, this is the biggest market in the world, guys. This is whereby you buy and sell currencies. When we say buy and sell currencies, we'll be talking of US dollar, pounds, Swiss franc, South African rand. You measure a certain country or a certain nation by its currency. If you want to know how the economy of South Africa is performing, you check the South African rand and say, all right, the South African rand is 1:18, 1:19, 1:15. It means this is how the economy is actually is at this point in time. You look at the pula and say, okay, this is how the pula is performing. So it means the economy is so much. You measure a certain country or certain nation by its currency. So this is where we talk about Forex trading. It's a big market, guys. Banks are involved, financial institutions are involved, brokers are involved, retail traders, which is me and you, are so involved in this market. So with the Forex, you can trade daily, can trade weekly, monthly, whichever time frame you are using. But the main goal, the main purpose is to make some money. And then now we move to the newest market, which is the cryptocurrency market, which started in 2009. At some point, it reached a market cap of $3 trillion US dollars. This is a decentralized market, guys. Cryptocurrency market. There is no single point of failure to say I'm gonna actually go to the bank and stop cryptocurrency. There is decentralized. It's a high volatility, high volatile market. When I say high volatile market, you also saw, guys, back in 2017, if you were already involved in the crypto space. I've been in the crypto space since 2014. So 2017, we saw the cryptocurrency market going as far as 19,000 US dollars. Apparently, it came from 3,000 US dollars and went to 5,000 US dollars. It stayed around 10,000 US dollars for some weeks, and then it went to 19,000 US dollars. But again, in January 2018, it started going down until it went as far as 3,000 US dollars again, where it started. I remember in rands, it was from 350,000 rands to 45,000 rands. Take note of this. It went as far as 350,000 rands and came back to 45,000 rands between the period of 2018 and 2019. It went as low as 45,000 rands from 350,000 rands. All right, fair enough. It started actually going up again. In 2020, you saw the bull run that happened in 2020, 2021, where the market went as far as 64,000 US dollars. Bitcoin, 64,000 US dollars. Everyone was happy, excited. But the mistake that everyone did, not so many people did take profits. People did not take profits. They thought the market is still continuing, the market is still going up. But the market started coming down now, came down 40,000 US dollars, 30,000 US dollars, 20,000 US dollars. As we speak, the market is around 16, 17,000 US dollars. So from 64,000, currently is at 16,000 US dollars. And guess what? The market will return back again over and above 65,000 US dollars. This is not the end of it. They call it cycles. Cycles is whereby There is a bear market and there is bull market. So currently we are in a bear market. We are in a bear market. We call it crypto winter season. So we are in a winter season. At some point in the next 6 months, a year or two, the market will be back up. So the most important thing is what action are you taking? What are you doing at this point in time? What are you taking? What are you doing with your money? What are you doing in this space at this point in time? Because that's what we normally say, that millionaires, billionaires are created during the winter season. They are created during the bear market. This is what we mean. Guys, you remember this day, this period, this time, 8:23 now. You remember this day when I'm telling you that this is the most crucial time of your life. This is the most crucial time to decide whether you want to be a millionaire or you want to remain the same. If you want to be a millionaire, this is the most crucial time, guys. This is the most crucial time of your life. In the next 6 months to a year to 2 years, you can't decide by taking this decision today. All right. You remember that. Put it in your diary and remind me later. Right. As we are talking about the markets, guys, we are talking of trading. Here, the most strategy that we are talking about is called trading. There are many ways of getting involved in this market: investing, staking, masternodes, minting, NFTs, whatever the reason. But today we are talking about trading. Trading, which is buying and selling. This is where you buy and sell. Trading, buying and selling different assets, different market, in different markets, different currencies. You buy and sell. So now, what moves the market? There are two ways to analyze the market. All right, there are many ways, but we're going to talk about two, which is technical analysis. What is a technical analysis? Technical analysis, guys, is looking at the history of the charts, the data that you collect of how the market performed in the past. So technical analysis is the study of the history, the past data, how the Euro USD performed in the last 1 minute, in the last 5 minutes, in the last 10 minutes, in the last 20 minutes, in the last 10 years, in the last 5 years. This is the study of the past data. That's technical analysis. So we've got some assistance of some charts, which have got some candlesticks. These are called candlesticks, guys. As you can see, some are red, some are blue, or you can say green, but you can say blue. Blue representing the bullish, red representing the bearish, as the standard. Okay, you can change this candlestick to your own preference. But as you can see, there is these are charts, guys. You can see this is the, whenever we are starting, those who are starting the technical analysis, they will say this is the resistance. This is actually at the uptrend. The market, this chart is an uptrend. It means the market is going up. You can see there is a resistance here and then there's support. Support, it means the market has been bouncing on this level, has been bouncing on this line several times going up. The market has been bouncing on this support line several times whilst the trend is up. Resistance, it means whilst the trend is up, but it has been bouncing on this line, which is the resistance. The resistance is the top one, and then the support is the base one, the below one. That's the support and resistance. So this is what you look at when you are trading. These are the tools, some of the tools that you use when you are trading to make a better decision on what to do whenever you are trading. We come to a second one, which is the fundamental analysis. What is the fundamental analysis? This is the study of the news. What are the news saying? The news, those are speeches that get released at a certain point. Those are data that get released at a certain given time, like the economic data, GDP. GDP, it means how the economy of a certain country or of a certain nation is performing. So those news, that data that get released, it actually tells whether the economy is negative or is positive. If it's negative, it means the investors are going to lose interest on that certain currency, and then they will pull out. When they are pulling out, the currency is going down. That's the economic data. And then we've got non-farm payroll. Those are news every Friday of first Friday of every month. There is economic news that are called non-farm payroll, NFP. That's why you hear all traders going crazy on a Friday saying NFP, NFP. They're talking of these news. Apparently, these are great news, major news that can move a certain currency 500 to 1,000 pips at a certain given time. So those are major news. There are some people, guys, who say, I'm a fundamental trader. Fundamental trader. It means they're trading the news. When the news gets released, obviously the currencies will always react. When the news get released that SBF, Sam Bankman is doing some dodgy things with this exchange FTX. Obvious, those are negative news. That's why the Bitcoin went down. That's why Bitcoin was actually negative, bearish. It went down because one of the biggest exchange in the crypto space is doing some dodgy things. The owners are dodgy people. So those are things that happens that affect the currency or that affect the market. Now we come to disasters and wars. Obviously, in a certain nation, if there are some wars, remember when Russia was attacking what's this other country? When Russia was attacking Ukraine, the markets came down. It was red. The markets were negative. You understand? And it was expected that the markets will actually fall. But at some point, the markets started holding up and then they went back up. So those are disasters. Even remember during the COVID-19, the market was expected to fall further. In fact, it went down, but it started picking up at some point during the COVID. Now, whenever you are trading or you are investing, during the disaster times, those are the best times to actually build some wealth. All right, I'll repeat. Currently, we are in a bear market. This is the best time to build wealth. During the recession, when the markets are red, when the stocks are on their lowest level, that's the best time to build wealth, because that's when you buy those stocks at a very cheaper price. 2008, it was a recession all over the world. Everyone was crying, except in South Africa, especially the construction industry, because we were preparing for the 2010 World Cup. But most of the stocks of different industries were very much down. Find out they're 90% down, 80% down. 70% down. That's the most crucial time to buy those stocks when everyone is afraid, when everyone is sitting on the sidelines. Buy, if you've got some money, buy those stocks that are actually 80% or 70% down. When the market start picking up, it's very, very easy for those stocks to actually start picking up very fast, and then you make your money back. In fact, you make a lot of money back. That's when you become a multimillionaire. So when everyone is fearful, buy, get into the market, buy. Because I can tell you now, most people in the crypto space, they've actually given up. They've actually gone somewhere. But when Bitcoin start going to 40,000, 50,000, 70,000, you'll see a lot of people start coming to the market, buying Bitcoin at 70,000 US dollars. Where were they when Bitcoin was at 16,000 US dollars? Where were they when Bitcoin was at 17,000 US dollars? Fear of missing out, which is FOMO. Do not be one of them. Be part of us. Be part of the 1%, be part of the 5% of the world. People who think with their brains, people who understand how the market works, who understand the market cycles. All right. All right. So yeah, fundamental analysis. The next one is action of trading. All right. How do you trade? How do you trade? Always hear people talking about trading, always see people displaying these charts with green and red candles. What are they doing? You hear them talking about making a lot of money. Are they doing, exactly are they doing? What action are they taking? Right now, this is the chart, as you can see. On the chart, when the market, you are anticipating that the market is going down, you sell. When you see the red candle, you sell. This is how you trade. When you analyze the market, you analyze your charts, you check your fundamentals, and you say this market, this Euro USD pair is going down. You sell from here. And then you come here, you take profits. Right, when you analyze, okay, I see the charts. Okay, Christoph, thanks, Kathy. All right, when you see the market, especially this is your support level. This is your support level. When you see this market has hit your support level and you anticipate that this market is going up now, the action that you take, you buy. You buy from here, you exit here, you make your 500 US dollars, you make your 1,000 US dollars. You sell from here, you exit your trade here, you make your 1,000 US dollars. It can be 1 hour, it can be 15 minutes, or it can be any given time, depending on how fast the market is doing on that certain period of time. Remember also, when you are selling here, you need to put a stop loss. What is a stop loss? A stop loss is an action that you do when you say, I'm 100% sure that this market is going down, but should it go against me? Should it happen that I'm wrong? I'm putting a stop loss. Instead of losing my 100 US dollars, I'm gonna only lose 10 US dollars. That's a stop loss. It's a risk management action that you use to say, I'm prepared to lose only 20 US dollars, but when it goes to my direction, I'll be making 20 US dollars, I'll be making 50 US dollars, I'll be making 60 US dollars. But if it goes against me, I'm prepared to lose only 10 US dollars or only 15 US dollars. But if it goes to my direction, I'll be making so much. So this is how you trade, guys. You decide your entry level to say, I'm coming into this market here because it's going up. I'm putting a stop loss just below my entry level so that should it go against me, I'm gonna lose only a certain amount of money. But if it goes to my direction as per my analysis, I'm gonna be making so much money. That's how you trade. Simple as that. Now we've got here these are two words. We've got short and long. Short, it means you are selling. When someone's saying I'm shorting Bitcoin, it means they're selling Bitcoin. When someone's saying I'm shorting euro, it means they are selling euro. Shorting, you are selling that certain currency or that certain pair. If you are going long, it means you have faith in that currency. I'm going long on Bitcoin. It means I'm buying Bitcoin because I know it's about to go up. Because I know it's going up. So I'm going long on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is about to go up. Please go long. Short Bitcoin. It means sell Bitcoin is going down. Go long. Buying. Shorting. Selling. All right. This is what happens. Let's trade. This is where you buy. Let's say you buy here. The price, this pair is, let's say it's Euro USD. Okay, it's a CFD, whatever. You buy here at 1.3544. That's the price you buy. And when it reaches this price, obviously you buy low, you sell high. Buy low and sell high. You can also sell from high to exit at a lower price. The good thing is when you are trading, you can go short or you can go long. So with the trading, guys, there's no recession. There's no period where you say, okay, it's a bear market, I can't make money, especially currently. Guys who are invested in the crypto space are crying. Everyone is crying. All the leaders are crying because their portfolios are bleeding. Their portfolios are red. It's bad. But now, if you are a trader, you make money either way. You make money when the currency is going down, you make money when the market is going up. You just make money, you just speculate on the movement of the market. When it's about to go down, you sell. You go short, you short the market. When it's about to go up, you go long. So either way, that's why I emphasize on people to say, have different strategies around this market. Don't be the person who has got only one strategy. We want to invest, we want to hold. It's good to hold. It's a very simple and easy strategy. Buy and hold, it's fine. But during the times like these, you wish you know another strategy so that you can actually keep yourself busy. Not keep yourself busy, keep yourself profitable. Like currently, if you don't know trading and you only know about investing, I'm sure you are bleeding, your heart is bleeding because the coins, you find out your 20,000 US dollar portfolio is now worth 1,350 US dollars. That's what is happening when you are holding. But now if you know how to trade, you'll be playing around the market, still making the same money, still making money. In fact, when you are trading, you trade and buy your favorite assets. Because as we speak now, people are saying, buy these coins, buy these coins. People don't have extra money. People don't have money on the side. Everyone is well invested on the market. All the money is in the market and it's floating down. So what's next? You need to trade. You need to learn how to trade so that when you trade and make some profits, you buy those coins. Everyone is talking about them. You buy those projects. Everyone is saying these are potential gems that will go 100x in the next bull run. You buy them, trade, make some profits and buy those coins. And then you become rich. Right. Now we bought here and then we are selling here. We are exiting here. We have made 10 points. All right. Now, if you look here at the bottom, it says 10 points multiplied by 50, that's 500 profit. From here to here, depending on what time frame you are using, it could be 10 minutes, it could be 20 minutes, or it could be some hours. But trading can give you some profits within a very short period of time. Within 10 minutes, within 20 minutes, within an hour, within a day, you can actually have your desired profits if you know how to trade, or if you know what you are doing. That's trading. Right. Now we move on. Trading success. We move on to trading success. If you want to be a proper trader in this space, you need to fix your psychology. 80% your psychology. Psychology is about dealing with your mentality, dealing with your mind, dealing with your brains, dealing with your emotions. That's psychology. That's where everything is bound. Psychology. Your mentality, your brains, your emotions, your greatness, it's psychology. Then comes to the strategy and skill, which is 20%. Understanding how to use indicators, understanding when to buy, understanding when to exit, the skill, having your own skill, your trading skill. It comes 20%, I'll say. But the most important thing is psychology. You might have a strategy and the skill, but your psychology messes you up. You might have the strategy and the skill, but your decision making becomes bad. Right. Like what we see in the industry. Like Sam Bankman. He had the strategy, he had the skill, but psychologically, he became bankrupt before his company went bankrupt. He became bankrupt psychologically, and then physically it manifested on his companies. That's what happened. Now it comes to risk management. When we talk of risk management, it's very important, guys. How much are you prepared? Before you take a trade, you must always know, I'm gonna lose so much. I'm prepared to lose so much. Don't look into the profits first. Here I'm teaching you proper trading now, that you don't hear from the streets, because the streets are giving you peer pressure. The streets are giving you the wrong information. The right information is, whenever you are taking a trade, have a goal to say, have a plan to say, I'm prepared to lose 1% of my capital on this trade, and then the profits will take care of itself. So always protect your capital before you look at profits. Protect your capital first before you look at your profits. Resources and capital, of course, you need to have resources. You can trade from your phone, you can, but the most important thing, you have the right system, the right setup. Of course, at the beginning, you don't have much money or whatever the reason, you have your phone only, but if you invest in right resources, the right tools, you're gonna be a winner. Have the signal service, have the indicators, and then have your skills. Those are resources. And capital. Capital is very important. How much are you willing to trade with? How much do you have to trade with? How much do you have to put into the market? Your goals must be proportional to your capital. You can't come into the market with 10 US dollars and expect to make 1,000 US dollars. It can't happen. How much capital you have, it must be proportional to your goals. With 100 US dollars, all right, it's going to actually come out with so much profit. Don't overdream. Don't overdream. Be real. Right now, we move on to the trader opportunities. Guys, someone says I got disconnected for some time. Will you be able to share the slides with us? Okay, are you guys there? Can you still hear me? Put 5 on the chat section. Maybe I'm talking alone, guys. People are maybe I've lost the people. Put 5 on the chat section, guys. All right. She, Grace, Simon, Michael. Thank you, guys. If you can still hear me. All right, Sipom, Shobiso. Thank you so much. All right, we're still moving, guys. Right now, we're talking of trader opportunities. People, my fellow people, my fellow citizens, trading is not just a part-time job. Trading is not a part-time job. Trading is not a part-time thing. This is business. This is the career. This is business. This is if you start treating trading as a business, trading as a job, trading as a career, you're gonna go far in life. There are a lot of people. You see what I'm wearing? This is how I am every day. Whenever I'm working, 24/7, guys, whenever I'm working, I'm watching videos. I've got 2 screens. My trading station has got 2 screens. On the other side, I'll be watching videos about trading, different traders, how they're making money and stuff. On the other side, I'm busy with my work. So I know in our local spaces in South Africa, we don't have many people talking about trading. We don't have many people talking, many success stories, so to say. Guys, international, there are a lot of people who are trading for a living. People who are 24/7 on the trading. We've got many stories, people who are trading for Wall Street, many Madalas, people who will tell you that I've been trading for the past 15 years. I've been trading for the past 30 years. I've been trading for the past 10 years. A lot of people. I'm a full-time trader. You understand? People will tell you that I am you can make a life out of trading. You just need to acquire a certain skill. And when we're talking about skill, it doesn't mean that you need to have a degree. It doesn't mean to have a certain PhD qualification. No. It's just a skill that you acquire by being consistent, by wanting to make this a success. A skill where you acquire by spending much time studying the markets, by getting the right mentorship, by approaching mentors, people who are going to actually give you the right information, people who are going to actually take you to the right levels. Then you can become a successful trader. When you are a trader, guys, you can trade your own capital. You can trade your own money where you have got your own money. Maybe you are working somewhere, and then on the side you are trading. Month end, you get paid your salary, you allocate a certain amount to trade to your account, and then you trade that money. and then you make money. Maybe you've just sold your car, just sold your house, and say, I've got the skill, I know how to trade, and then you can actually start trading. You can even trade for your family. Your uncle resigns from work or takes his pension, he's got 1 million rands, and say, what can I do with this money? Where can I invest? You know how to trade. We are not talking guys with gambling mentality or all these guys that you see that are gambling. We are talking if you know how to trade, if you know how to do your risk management. People are not going to lose people's money. People are not going to lose money if you know how risk management work. Can take someone, can take your uncle's 1 million and say, all right, let me trade for you. And then you multiply that money. Right. The next one, you can trade for small offices. You'll be surprised once you start trading, guys, especially trading successfully, that there are a lot of companies, small companies, who will be looking at what you are doing, and they can approach you. At some point, you are not the one who will be looking for those companies, but the companies will be actually looking for you. There will be those small companies, those companies will be looking for you, looking for your services, because they understand that you are actually a trader. So there are a lot of opportunities. You can also trade for rich people. How many rich people do we have around? Tenderpreneurs. A lot of rich people, guys, they can approach you. We're not talking of those people who will give you 10,000 rands and say, I want you to grow 20% a month, 50% a month. No, we're talking of reasonable people. Someone who will approach you and say, here's 1 million. How much can you give? And you say, okay, it's going to be 10% a year. And someone says, oh, no, that's a lot. That's fine. That's what we're talking about. We are not talking of these ones who will give you 20,000 and say, okay, you know what? I need 50% a month from this 20,000. That's a lot of pressure. That's why a lot of these guys, they lose money because you guys give them a lot of pressure. Don't do that. All right. Find rich guys who have got money lying around. They don't know what to do with that money. And you promise them 20% a year. And they'll be happy, very happy. Well, at least you know that you can actually make that 20% in 3 months or in 6 months. You know yourself. All right. You can also trade for prop firms. There's something new, which is called prop firms, guys. Prop firms, these are companies who can actually fund you up to 1 million. As long as you've got the trading skill, as long as you've got the skill, as long as you know how to trade, they can actually give you 200,000. They can actually give you $50,000, $100,000, or $200,000. Those are prop firms. You just make available your skill and say, guys, I've got a skill. They test you. Oh, yeah, you can actually trade. And then they fund you $20,000, and then you share profits with them. You take 80%, they take 20%. Everyone is happy. You come next month again, you say, okay, guys, I'm still trading this account. All right, I haven't lost this account. You make your $10,000 or $20,000. They take 20%, you take 80%. You go and buy your McDonald's, you go and buy your KFC. Life goes on. All right. So there are a lot of opportunities, guys. If you are a trader, if you are a skilled trader, you first need to understand yourself, work on yourself, become a skilled trader. Capital is not a problem. Capital is lying all over, especially these days. Money is everywhere. All right. Empire Forex Capital, which is an established and registered company, which was registered in 2009. What we do at Empire Forex Capital, we We have our signal services, which is 80% winning signals. We are in the markets, Forex and crypto. Our signals, guys, we advise you when we send our signals, they have an entry, take profit, and stop loss. So you just get a signal that will tell you enter here, take profit here, your stop loss here. So all the information will be there. Enter here, take profit here, stop loss here. Our subscription is just $50 per month, which you can make special depending on the size of your account, but you can make within a week, within some few days, with our signals. They are very good signals, guys, that are being offered by our company. And then we've got on the side, we've got mentorship, which is we teach you, we mentor you. You decide whether you want to learn crypto or you want to learn Forex. We put you into the school, teach you about technical analysis, fundamental analysis, give you the strategies, and then help you also to pass prop firms, and then you get moving, become a full-time trader. We give you all that information. Guys, you can't go to 2023 without a trading skill. You can't. You can't. As a proper human being, you can't go to 2023 without knowing how to trade. That's dangerous. You are a danger to yourself if you do that. If you go to 2023 without these crucial life skills, you are a danger to yourself. Wake up, smell the coffee. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Let's make money. It's time to make money. We've been sleeping since COVID 2018, 2019. We've been crying. COVID, it's over. Now it's time to wake up and smell the coffee, start making money. This is where we are. As long as you're still breathing, you still have gotten a chance, you still have gotten an opportunity. So don't sleep on such opportunities. All right, our course is 3,000 rands, and then we get you started, we get you moving. All right. Now we come here. I know most of you guys were waiting for this opportunity, for this slide, so to say. Automated copy trading. Automated copy trading. The lazy way to get rich. I want to be like this guy. Wake up with my remote, sleeping, eating popcorns until I have a big stomach. You can see the guy is relaxed. Life is good. Life is lekker. Okay, I want to be like this guy. Right, this is automated copy trading. It's whereby you say, I don't have time. It's you says, I do not have time to trade for myself. I do not have time to learn. I do not have time to get involved in this market. I'm so busy at work. Of course, you have to survive. You have to work for a living. You say, I don't have skill. The market, if it was that easy, everyone would be driving a Lamborghini. So you say, I do not have a skill. Currently, I don't have skill. I can't trade. I haven't learned how to trade, but I need a passive income. I need a profitable strategy. This is you. You say, I need passive income. I need a profitable strategy. What's the solution? Why copy trading? What is copy trading? Copy trading is whereby you follow experienced traders on the platform. You register an account with one of our recommended exchange or platform, and then we help you within our network of traders who are very successful. We help you to link your account with our traders. You just copy their trades. You copy their trades, and then whenever we are trading, you are making money on your side. So you open an account with one of our recommended platform using our link, and then we help you to connect, do the settings, the right settings. It's very crucial, guys, especially when it comes to settings and everything. If you do the wrong settings, you're not going to be successful. You're going to actually lose and come back and say, Mr. Mabhena, you said it's just easy. No, you need to do the right settings. Make the same profits. Whenever we are trading, you make the same profits as we are making. It's a passive income daily. It's money that keeps coming. You don't have to do anything. You do the settings once, and then as we keep on trading, you are making a lot of money. You are making money on a daily basis. Make average of 30%, 50%, depending on your settings as well. You only pay fees when we make profits. You only pay fees only when we make profits. You have full control of your account. Full control of your account. Should you want to withdraw anytime? Someone was asking, when do I withdraw? No, anytime. You can fund today, make profits, tomorrow you withdraw. It's up to you. It's not one of those projects where we say it's a 90-day, I don't know how they call them. You are investing for 90 days. You can't take your money for the next 90 days or something. No, here you have got full control of your money. You invest it today, start making money. Tomorrow you want to withdraw your profits, more than welcome. You can do so. How do you get started now? You decide whether you want to copy Forex or crypto. You can also do both. You can also do both. The first thing, we have to contact our admin for settings. Very crucial. Contact our admin for settings. Register on the brokerage or the exchange that we recommend. Fund the account with capital. You can start from $100 US, but remember, the more money you start with, $100 US, 200, 500, 1,000, 10,000 US, the more money you put, the more way you can see where you're going. But you can start somewhere. Connect your account to our master traders on the network. We are the traders. We've got a network of our traders. We link your account with one of our master accounts. Sit back and relax. Profits in. Absolutely. Sit back, relax, and you start making money. That's easy. Guys, the world has been simplified. It's easy. That's how you make money. You can't go to December. You can't go to December this broke. You can't eat all the money in December. Come January, you are very broke. Whilst there are opportunities like these ones where you can actually have your money working for you somewhere, whilst you are busy with your parties somewhere. Whilst you are partying, let your money be working for you. Let your money be traded by the master traders. You still have got full control. You can open your account and check what's happening anytime. It's not like the money is closed or you don't have access. You've got full access of your account anytime. Join our Telegram, guys. This is our Telegram channel. Join our Telegram and let's get you started. Let's get you moving. On the chat section, I'm gonna write our Telegram. At the at Empire Crypto TV. That's our Telegram, guys, on the chat section. I've sent our Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel. Let's get you moving. Let's get you started. And then Mhlobiso copy trading. Wow. Of course, Mhlobiso, there's all the solution in this world. You can take a course where you can learn how to do it yourself so that you can actually start trading for prop firms. You can get our signals. You can do copy trading. You can't tell me that out of all these three, there's nothing that you see fit for your pocket. You can't. All right. And then, okay, how much is the copy trading fee? All right, the copy trading fee, it's on when you make profits. The platform charges you 10%. When you make profits, it charges you 10%. So that's the fee. All right, and then any questions, guys? Any other questions? Any other questions? Any other questions? Any other questions? All right, any other questions? Let me see the chat. So that's it, guys. That's the whole information, guys. You can start trading. There's a lot of opportunities, like I just mentioned earlier, where you can become a full-time trader. It's a career, guys. I mean, let's say you are a junior full-time trader and you are making $2,000 a month. How much is $2,000 a month? 2,000 by 18, that's 36,000, 30,000 rands a month, guys, just as a junior trader, as someone who's just started. I mean, $2,000, I'm sure you can cover some of your basic things. So it can cover, but now you need to take the first step. You need to take the first action. We need to take action. Not this thing of I will until next year, until 2023. Never make that mistake, guys. We ought to take the first action. You ought to move. Keep moving. Take the first action. Keep moving. All right. So our courses also are flexible in the sense that we do online. We do online. Our courses are online, where we do on Zoom. You don't have to come to our offices or what. We do a Zoom, and it's a one-on-one on Zoom. We've got quite a few number of trainers where they can train you in the comfort of your own home, in the comfort of your own place. So I've been trying to trade since 2019. Do you think I'll be profitable when I join your mentorship? Of course, join the winning team. We've got some proven results. We can groom you, we can cook you, we've got some strategies that we can share with you. Once you join us, we can actually also help you to start trading for prop firms where you can get funded. So we have got opportunities. You get funded and start trading $50,000, start trading $200,000, scaling up until you start trading $1 million. Not your money, someone's money. Freely available money. Okay. All right, what's the minimum deposit for copy trade? Like I said, you can start recommended from 100 US dollars. 100 US dollars can start copy trading. So yes, you can actually join our academy and start learning. Right, what's the next question? Is the 3,000 for life or monthly? No, 3,000 is a once-off. It's a once-off 3,000 rands, and then we put you into our course for 2 months, intensive 2 months, then lifetime support. So it's a once-off 3,000. Right, any other question? Yes, 10% is calculated on profits. Any other question, guys? So that's it, guys. Let's get moving. Let's get started. There's so much money in the world, but it depends on your approach. What's your approach? You must commit yourself, jump the ship, get moving. Thank you for your time. I'll be in touch. Thank you, Simon. Are you working on weekends? Yeah, we've got in our team, we've got some of our trainers. Yeah, they can actually work around your schedule. What's good about us, guys? We work around your schedule. You tell us your schedule, then we work around your schedule once you take our mentorship. December will be around. Yeah, we're gonna be around. We're gonna be around. Our trainers will be around. Our trainers will be around. Okay. All right. Grace Mfolwe. Welcome on board. Let's get you started this Monday. Let's get you started this Monday, Grace. Let's get you started this Monday. All right. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Kate, thank you, Mr. Mabhena. I've learned a lot today. Oh, okay. What exactly did you learn, Kate? Can you write 2 things that you learned from today so that I know, okay, people were learning? Because sometimes you might be here talking, making a lot of noise without any content. People are not really getting what you are saying. You might be here for the past 1 hour, but people are not really getting anything. So what have you guys been learning here? Okay, great stuff, Grace, copy trading, welcome. About stocks, shares, yes. That's the reason I wanted to start from the beginning, from the stocks and shares, because people only know about crypto. People were just introduced to crypto. People only know about Forex, but they are stocks. How do you think the companies are so strong? They keep going. It's because of stocks. Why? How do you think when they say Elon Musk is worth 200 billion, what do they mean? They're talking about stocks. They're talking about his stocks, his companies, his shares in the companies. That's what they say is worth 100 billion or 200 billion. When they say Mark Zuckerberg is worth so much, they're talking about stocks. They're talking about his equity in different companies. Yeah. All right. iPhone Yatabile, starting copy trading Monday. I already have a funded account on XM. Is it compatible with your trading platform? Give me a shout. Contact me on Telegram. Here's my Telegram. I'm writing it again here. Give me a shout on Telegram. Let's talk. Empire Crypto TV. At Empire Crypto TV on Telegram. Here's is it Lesotho or Botswana? +66. Right, I've learned that trading need commitment, and that once there is a skill, capital is not a problem. Lastly, I learned that one can still enjoy profits even without knowledge. Absolutely, you were here from the start. till the end. You heard everything that I said. Well done, well done, well done. All right. Also learned that I can make money through copy trading. I am in. Great stuff, Mhlobi. So, guys, let's make this happen. We can't have a black December. Let's have a very good, awesome December. Whilst everyone is eating cabbage on January, we are eating meat. I can actually tell you we will be eating meat. Guys, give our traders, our master traders some job. Whilst you are busy enjoying your December, they will be trading. They will be trading. So yes, don't miss such an opportunity. Okay, great stuff. Thanks, Mhlobiso. Right, which are the recommend brokers? Give me contact me on Telegram. Contact me on Telegram for some links on the exchanges and brokers that we actually work with. Send me information on Telegram, then I will send you the information. All right, thank you so much for talking. Thank you for chatting. Thank you for chatting. If you, let me see. Thank you for chatting. Thank you, guys. Let's meet on Telegram. Let's meet on Inbox. Let's meet on Telegram. Let's get you moving. Let's get you started. Let's get you moving, guys. Let's get you started. Great stuff. Let's get moving. Super, guys. All right. Okay, thank you so much. Good night.